Baby, are you allowed to bring food here?
No, this is for you if you want. This is just a sampler.
Oh, you got some of the tiramisu? Can I try it?
Baby, I think
Is
I'm
it good?
still giving the face right now.
No, you can.
No, I just want you to try it to see if you like it. I'm not gonna eat it in here. Are you crazy?
Baby, can you get my cell phone? I'm gonna look for a video.
A video of what?
Your birthday, remember that you were sending a message to this girl?
Lelien. Lelien. Dora la Exploradora.
Who's that?
Come on, vámonos.
What?
Everybody let's go.
It's super cool. Oh, my knee, it got me. Oh, yeah, that injury. It's an old injury. Sorry, folks. Oh, yeah.
You know how
Some
we
of them
did?
more. Oh, yeah.
La brincamos en la casa de Valencia. Se cayó.
Why do you tell them that? Maria? Now they're gonna put it on
We
Facebook.
need material.
What's so funny, Lisa?
It's too late. It's going on Facebook.
Let me see what it is.
Oh, yeah. Tiramisu is good.
You tried it already? Is it good?
Yeah, really good. Sevenia.
Dora la Exploradora.
That's a pretty decent show, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What
I
kind?
like it because it's in
Yeah.
Spanish.
Really?
There's a lot of shows that are in Spanish nowadays.
Yeah. Ahora una de una chinita. ¿Cómo se llama?
He wants more food.
Algo así. Que ella habla en inglés.
Where are you?
Ya.